back is insane. So there's going to be a shitload of people.
This is our box office, so this is where you pick up passes and buy your tickets and all of that good stuff. But we are also the headquarters for the merch, so that's what I do is the merchandise.
We're really hoping to be busy, which I feel like it will be because it's supposed to be like a really, really crazy weekend in Columbia as it turns out. Like, it's not just like True Falls going on this weekend, like there's a zoo basketball game and then there's like the beer festival.
So they have completely transformed the classroom. They've walled it off with black walls, black carpet, blacked out everything, hung black lights from the ceiling. And they've got these old arcade boxes like a la 1990s Day Glow arcade. And they've transformed those so that you go and you sit down in an arcade, but what you do is you put on a VR set, and they have all these different VR experiences that artists have created. So we open up our doors and we allow, spillover from the different events and parties into the gallery. So it'll be really packed in here. Tomorrow night they have the Jubilee that goes on.
For True Falls this year, Wildy's World is going to host another collaborative mural, True Falls themed, which is weather. Now this one is going to be conceived and designed by high school kids through the DIY program. So I'm part of the education. I'm going to facilitate workshops where kids who are interested in painting murals or art creating of any kind are going to sign up and come participate, and I'm going to tell them everything I know about creating collaborative murals.
Uprise is, making a lot of bacon. They just got a coffee shipment in, but it's like 3 times as much as they usually did.